Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad geometry problem. So here we have, this is a nice right triangle in which the length of one side are given and the length of other two sides are unknown. So we need to find the parameter of this right triangle. So for this first we call this is A, B and C right triangle. And we know about that the side opposite to the right angle is called the hypotenuse and we denote it by small c. And the side opposite to this angle is called the perpendicular and we denote it by small b. And the side which join both of these two angles is called the base and we denote it by small a. So here first we need to find the values of a and c and then we get the parameter of this nice triangle. So here you know about that this is a right triangle and in right triangle the Pythagoras theorem is hold. So you know about that what is Pythagoras theorem? It is stated as hypotenuse square equals to base square plus perpendicular square. So this is the our Pythagoras theorem. And here we substitute the values of h, b and p. So the value of h is c, it is c square becomes equals to b square, b is a square and the value of perpendicular is b or our b is equals to 3 and it will become here 3 square. And now here in the next step, we move this a square into the left hand side and it will become c square minus a square equals to, this is 3 square and 3 square becomes 9. And here you see that in the left hand side we have, this is the very famous algebraic formula. We know about that c square minus a square is equals to c minus a times of c plus a is equals to 9. And now you see here in the left hand side we have, there are two factors are multiplied by each other, but in the right hand side we have only one factor. So we need to find any numbers whose product becomes 9. So these are 1 multiplied by 9 is equals to 9 and 3 multiplied by 3 is equals to 9. So we have, these are the two possibilities. And now if we make the relation between these two factors, then we say that our c minus a is always less than c plus a. It means that we choose those pair of numbers in which the first number is less than the second number. So you see here our 1 is less than 9, then we choose this pair. And if you see here 3 is equals to 3 but it is not less than 3 because 3 is equals to 3 and it is not satisfied this condition, so that we rejected this case. And we have only one possibility, so that we compare these two values with 1 and 9. And after comparison of these values we obtain c minus a is equals to 1 and c plus a is equals to 9. And we call this is our equation number 1 and this is our equation number 2. And now here we easily find the values of a and c and then we move towards our requirement of this question, which is parameter. So here in order to find the values of a, we first sum up equation number 1 and equation number 2. So when we add both of these two equations, it will be written as, you see here this is minus a, this is plus a are cancelled out by each other and we get here c plus c is equals to 2c equals 1 plus 9 becomes here 10. And now for the values of c, we need to divide both of the sides by 2. And when we divide both of the sides by 2, it will becomes here 2c divided by 2 equals 10 divided by 2. This 2 and this 2 are gone and we get here our c is equals to, this is 2 times 5 becomes 10 and we get here c is equals to 5. So you see that we get the first value of c, which is equals to 5. And now we substitute this value of c into the equation number 2 and we easily get the value of a. So our equation number 2 is implies that When you put this value here, it will becomes 5 plus a is equals to 9. And now we move this 5 to the right hand side, and it will be written as a is equals to 9 minus 5, and this implies that we have a is equals to 9 minus 5 becomes here 4. So you see that we easily get the value of a is equals to 4 and the value of c is equals to 5, and we are given that the value of b is equals to 3. So we get the sides length of all the sides length of the given triangle, and you very well know about that. What is parameter? The length of the sum of the length of all the boundaries of this triangle is called its parameter. So here we use this formula and we write it as the parameter of given triangle is equals to the sum of its length of its sides. It is a plus b plus c. So the value of a is 4 plus the value of b is 3 plus the value of c is 5. And finally we have p is equals to 5 plus 3 becomes 8, 8 plus 4 becomes 12. So we easily get the value of parameter of the given triangle is equals to 12. This is the final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.